Today's DIY Wing It Guy project is a simple one. I've got this old IGLOO ice cube cooler. It's probably at least 20 years old. It's been great service for us. And the last time that we went camping, this cooler leaked all over the back of our vehicle and made quite a mess. And so once I got home and got it cleaned up and took a look, this is what I found. The drain plug had literally snapped off the threads, and it somehow held together, but it was leaking water all over the place as the ice melted, as you can imagine. And so that's not good, but it's a pretty easy fix. I went to Amazon and found a replacement. They call it a triple snap drain plug, and it's for IGLOO specifically, and it even comes with a little instruction photo in terms of how to install it. So it's a really straightforward project. Glad I found that on Amazon. It was only $8.99 on Amazon. So it's a pretty simple fix. We'll make this 20-year-old cooler probably last another 10 years or so. Pretty straightforward. This end with the cap on it is going to come in from the outside part of the cooler, and on the inside we'll have this rubber gasket, washer, and nut that'll hold that all into place and should keep it nice and tight. So let's put that together. So there is the end with the cap shoved into the cooler, and I put that black rubber gasket on there to hold that in place. And then after that, just have this little washer piece and a nut. I'll get that nice and tight, but that's the easiest fix ever. So I'll fill this thing with water, see if it'll hold. All right, so now I've got enough water in there to get it up over the drain. I'll even lean it back so we get a little more water over that drain plug. And then let's take a look and make sure there's nothing leaking. Yeah, no signs of drippage. Looks like it's secure. Good to go. Another successful project.